think it's so inspiring and empowering to go all over the country to take WOW Summit somewhere new every single year, to meet new moms, to connect with them and realize we all have the same exact thing in common.
My favorite thing about this conference so far has been all of the incredible women that I've met here and the unlimited amount of resources I found in their knowledge.
So you guys, I just walked through the hall. Oh my gosh, my back is gonna hurt by the end of the day. I got so many goodies.
It was amazing to see all the new products from the expo, to try them out. It was good that we were able to try them right away, and they gave full samples.
Mental wellness and mental illness begin in the gut. And that simply means you fix your gut to fix your brain.
I think that as women, we get caught up on that balance has to be achieved over a day, and that is false. We can only do so much in a day. The rest, we just need to give ourselves that grace to be like, hey, tomorrow's another day.
The planet's telling us we've got to do better. But when we start to practice regenerative practices, we can replenish those water cycles so that we can have rain when it's supposed to rain.
One thing that I learned a long time ago was to be as genuine as you can and be vulnerable with your audience. There's been times that I've been very vulnerable and I'm saying I'm having a bad day, and I have so many people reach out to me and say, it's okay, I had the same kind of day and I can relate to you.
The WOW Summit has wowed me, and there's still so much stuff for me to see.
What struck me the most has been the sense of community. Thank you for all that you do, Moms Meet. See you next time.